What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in, another video for the Mark V R32. So today we just upgraded that rear bars that Ultra Racing provides. There's two of them actually, one all the way down there. I'm not gonna crawl down there because I'm literally on that type of, little ramp status. But yeah, super easy DIY, not hard. Comes with the bolts. Another piece of mine in regards to Chase's flex, so solves that mystery. And because US cars didn't come with this particular bar on the subframe, I just think it's just a nice addition to kind of reinforce the original design and complement it. And now I have not only this one right here, I know my finger's kind of blurry, but the ECS one to attach to rear trailing arms. So the unfortunate part is, if you have an aftermarket exhaust, it will be touching. So I don't know if I'm going to get some hardcore drone. I've yet to really drive it off the ramps, but it's the price you pay for, I guess, performance. In my own 2 cents, I've yet to test it out, so don't quote me on that. Other than that, I don't know if it would be the same for OEM. That's for you to figure out if you're still using OEM and any other exhaust system out there. So yeah, that's just pretty much it, guys. Just checking in, letting you guys know this is it's one of the pending projects that I had going on. I still have to do the springs from Öhlins and my urethane bushings, but we'll get that resolved and go from there. Alright guys, thanks for checking in. Leave a comment. Talk to you guys soon.